So that means the other chip needs some filtering.
Woo!
Wish I knew how to do that.
How do you filter chips?
You use the principle is very similar to how you smooth out bumps on the road by using a suspension on the car.
Yeah.
So you have a spring and a dashpot, and the spring provides a bounce, but the dashpot keeps it from getting out of control.
Yeah.
So you use resistors and capacitors. So a capacitor is the function of a spring, it stores electrical energy, and the resistor has the function of the dashpot, it dissipates energy. And between the two of them, you can tune what frequencies you're. It's pretty much exactly the same thing as a suspension.
That'd be really cool.
Yeah.
This file will stay on the desktop, right? Like this won't get deleted if I read it here. Like I mean, I have it saved here.
Put it in. There's a folder that says revise.
That's possible.
Well, yeah.
Can I just make a folder that just so I remember?
Yeah. Oh, you put it under?
That's a good idea, Coach.
Yeah.
Is your thing working?
What?
Is your thing working?
Yeah, I think it's good. So now we're gonna. So that's much nicer, right?
So is this gonna like show words or letters?